Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use Google TV on Samsung TV. Let's go. Important. Google TV is only available on Android devices. What to do? First way. Use Chromecast with Google TV. Open Sources. Connection Guide. Video device. Connect Chromecast to TV via HDMI. Select the Chromecast source. After that, you will have Google TV. Second way, use Google TV app. Open Settings, General, Network status. Your phone and your TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Turn on screen mirroring on your phone. Select your TV. Open the Google TV app on your phone. Does the Connect TV button work? Only for Chromecast or Android TV. That's it. Now you know how to use Google TV on Samsung TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.